In life, many times we are very concerned that nobody should take us for a ride. While that concern is valid and it has its own place, but more important is when we introspect and we become alert that we should not take ourselves for a ride. Each of us has such tremendous potential, but our mind is taking us for a ride with all the self-defeating thoughts that I am not capable, I am not good enough, I can't do this, someone else is better than me, I am a failure. I am not born for greatness. Greatness is only the destiny of a few people. I am just mediocre, I am just ordinary. Our mind is taking us for a royal ride. We need to get off this ride and get on to a positive ride of self-confidence, of self-belief. Weak minds always think, can I do it? Must I do it? Will I be able to do it? Pujya Gurudev Swami Chinmayanand used to tell us, always tell yourself, I can, I must, I will. Even as a country, we need to have self-belief. Self-belief in our greatness in the past and our greatness even today, and our potential to achieve greatness in the future. We were, we are, and we will be great as individuals and as a country also. The more we believe in our greatness, the more we will achieve it. The more we feel low, we have self-limiting thoughts, we will restrict ourselves. We will not feel positive and good about ourselves. So let us manifest our greatness. Let us live in self-belief. Let us live in the attitude, I can. Because it is said success comes in cans, not in can'ts. So replace the aerated drinks from cans and drink the drink of inspiration from I can.